Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to unlock iPhone X series like iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max without passcode, without Face ID, without Apple ID, without any third-party software. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without wasting your time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative unlock videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen iPhone is locked and passcode is not working. Simply tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code star 0090 star 562 891 star 782 star 1033 star 487592 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see code is automatically added to backend. Again, you can see iPhone is still locked. Go to the emergency again and enter the second secret pin code. So guys, you must follow all steps to unlock your iPhone. Star 105 star 000 star 7629105 star 84 star 7628822 star 403 star 58 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. Again, you can see code is automatically added. Scroll up and make sure you disable Wi-Fi, hotspot and Bluetooth or any type of VPN. Again, scroll up. You can see iPhone is asking for passcode. Go to the emergency section and enter the final secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. So guys, follow all steps to unlock your iPhone. Star 562 star 8802 star 892 star 7802 star 406 star 2011 star 786 095 star 562 000 star 784 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, your iPhone is automatically unlocked without passcode, without Face ID, without any third-party software. So guys, tap on the dialer. You can see appears on screen your iPhone is automatically unlocked without passcode, without Apple ID, without Face ID, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to unlock iPhone X series like iPhone X, XR, XS and XS Max without passcode, without Apple ID, without iTunes, without any third-party software. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative upcoming tech video. Thanks for watching.